Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time now for your weekend love bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And Pisces, this is for the weekend of the 2nd of October, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Just to check on your energies to see how you guys are doing now. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, let's take an angel blessing card first to see how my angels are going to bless you for this weekend. My angels, Spirit Guides, please bless Pisces with a beautiful advice card or a message card or a blessing for this weekend. Let's see. You get the card of forgiveness, Pisces. What is this pertaining? Is it time to forgive yourself of something, or maybe somebody else, or a circumstance? Sometimes what happens, Pisces, we start blaming ourselves for the situation that we're in, and I think whether it's you're blaming yourself or you're blaming somebody else for something, you really can't move on. You get stuck in that cycle. You just keep going round and round, and it's impossible to move ahead, right? So I think it's time for some forgiveness in your life. Let's check on these cards and see why this card has come out for you, Pisces. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends as well now. And yes, please join us, subscribe to the channel, join us. We welcome you in. This is going to be a mini read, Pisces. Ooh, Two of Cups. Are you making up with someone this weekend, Pisces? There's forgiveness and the Two of Cups. So, what was I saying? I forgot. Anyway, the point here is let's begin the reading. The Two of Cups got me there. So we have the Star, Page of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. Moon, Five of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. Yeah, something happened, Pisces, here in your relationship. This is the basis of why you have to forgive the person, I think. Some of your wishes didn't come true here, Pisces. Things were really not in balance. But now I think you are slowly and steadily, you or your person is coming to that place where you want to drop the fight now. Enough is enough. But of late, I don't think you guys have been messaging each other or talking to each other, but basically thinking and healing, and the confusion has gone now. One of you or both of you is now making some choice. Like if there were many options in the past, that's being dropped. If you were confused in the past, that's coming to an end. And now you are concentrating on your Nine of Cups, right? You want to be happy. Maybe in the past there was a little fight that happened between the two of you. There were some harsh words exchanged between the two of you. But uppermost in your mind, I feel, is still that Nine of Cups of the happy times that you shared, which became unbalanced. Yeah, but now I think somebody here is getting fed up of this imbalanced relationship where after this fight what happened, and is wanting now to drop the fight, right? They are no longer wanting to be at crossroads. They are no longer wanting to keep making a decision, what should I do, what should I do. They want to be happy now and come back to the happy space. But there are still a lot of secrets here. Lot of secrets. Maybe people around you are watching you. You want whatever mischief has been done in the past, you want all that to be brought out in the open now, so that there are no more secrets. Maybe secrets were kept in the past. There was a lot of illusion around this relationship. Nothing was clear. Where is it going? Where is it going? But now I see you or both of you wanting to come out of that Five of Pentacles space Because whatever happened here, this fight, cheating, lying, whatever happened, it kind of backfired even on the person who created the fight, right? It just led to a loss of love, right? But now I see one or both people wanting to now stop reflecting so much on the past and wanting to now drop this altogether. So now we're going to see, Pisces, are you dropping the person or are you dropping the fight? Let's take one more card. What was the Seven of Swords, Spirit? What was this that backfired on after this fight? Yeah, somebody is now wants to return. You see, what happened was one person created a fight because maybe they had options or they were not clear in their communication. But after the fight, I think everything just went out of balance and also backfired on the person who created the fight in the first place. Now, there is a lot of love here, right? There is a Two of Cups here, so there is a soulmate connection here. And now this person wants to return. They want to return back and get back to their happy place. I think they want to end this fight and end this burden altogether. So let's see what's happening on the weekend. Queen of Cups in reverse. Somebody is still holding back their love. Page of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles upright. Very nice. So I see a feminine energy here who has totally withdrawn her love. She is not planning to give any affection or love. She's not making any first moves. Let's see why. Spirit, Queen of Pentacles. Sorry, Queen of Cups. This queen is very upset, right? Even as much as she wants to release the fight, still holding on to this tower from falling completely, still doesn't want this thing to end. Like, I think it's more of a sulking going on and not truly wanting to end this chapter or this relationship altogether. Just wanting, this queen just wants that all toxicity and all rubbish should leave this relationship, because without that, this queen is not giving in. She's withdrawn her love totally, feeling very emotionally overwhelmed at the moment. Yeah, according to this feminine energy, this has already come to an end, right? There's nothing to be done here. I don't want to deal with this anymore. And even though I don't want it to, heart of hearts, my death is in reverse, right? So even though I don't want it to end, I think it's best that I put it to rest and release this toxicity from my life. So what about this Page of Swords, Spirit? What's this Page of Swords in reverse? Yeah, both people, I think, are feeling this lack of emotional support at the moment because things have just not been right between the two of you. Right now, I think even in the weekend, all these feelings are going on, but I still have a Ace of Pentacles to look at. So that's one good news at the end. But right now, I see there is a little lack of working together. There is nobody making a move towards each other. Nobody is really kind of moving towards the other person. This person is also, I think, a bit overwhelmed, not sure, feeling a bit insecure. So, Spirit, then what is this Ace of Pentacles in the end? What is this Ace of Pentacles? Why is the Ace of Pentacles here? I think this weekend also, I think the feminine energy is in charge. She is not wanting to kind of make any moves. She still feels that the masculine is a bit immature and maybe a bit selfish. She's still not talking to this person. And this weekend, I think this feminine energy is picking herself up to say, hey, listen, I'm not going to waste my time and I'm going to move ahead for a fresh new beginning for myself. So this weekend also, I don't see this fight getting off, even though I think my angels are urging this feminine energy to have a little forgiveness in her heart. Even if this masculine has done a lot of harm, don't forgive the act itself, but please forgive the person. So even if you want to release this person, you can do it with more ease. If you try and move ahead, Pisces, if you're a female watching this, feminine energy, you want to be this, right? The Queen of Wands, and you want to have this new beginning. You can only do that if you get over this, right? And to get you are trying, right? You are trying to get rid of this toxicity from your life. The easiest way to do it is say, okay, so you this is how much you knew, this is what you could do for me, and it's not enough for me. So I forgive you and wish you the best, and I'm going off for my very best. Because the minute you keep harboring any anger towards them, Pisces, it will get very difficult for you to have this fresh start, right? Let's see, there is a Two of Cups here. Right now, somebody is being a bit defensive and strong here. But the soulmate connection seems strong. So let's see next week if something changes. But right now, I think Pisces, yes, definitely pick yourself up and go for your new beginning. But don't do it with anger or upset in your heart. Okay? That's all I have for you, Pisces. I'll see you next week now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.